Hello friends, welcome to Edufavorite channel. Today in this video tutorial, I'll let you know how to check if your Google email address is on the dark web. Recently, a new feature has been launched by Google which allows you to check if your Gmail account or address is on the dark web or not. Before we proceed, let's first know what is dark web. The dark web is a part of the internet that lets people hide their identity and location from other people and from law enforcement agencies. As a result, the dark web can be used to sell stolen personal information. The dark web is often associated with illegal activities such as drug trafficking and data breaches. However, government agencies also use the dark web to share classified information and to perform other positive activities. So to check whether your Gmail account is on the dark web or not, firstly we need to log in to our Gmail account. Okay, so let's sign into our Gmail account. Enter your password. Then go to Gmail, go to your Gmail inbox. Then click on your account. Okay, so this interface will appear. Click on the security tab. Then you will find one option. Okay, here the option is see if your email address is on the dark web. Run a scan to see if your email address was leaked on the dark web from databases. Okay, so click on run a scan with Google One. Now click on run scan. Okay, so the scan is complete. After the scan, if no results found, congratulations, your Gmail address is not on the dark web. However, if your address appears, it's essential to take action. What action you need to take? Change your password, ensure it's strong and unique. Enable two-factor authentication, add an extra layer of security. Monitor your accounts, keep an eye out for suspicious activity. Be cautious. Scammers may target you based on this information. Okay, and always remember, vigilance is key in the digital realm. Okay, so in this way you can check whether your Gmail address is on the dark web or not. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.